Go.
Round 2.
The seat hits directly in front of you. Once seated, secure loose articles in the zippered pouch behind your legs and fasten.
Apparently you actually get airtime here in the back row.
Hey?
Apparently you get airtime here in the back row. Oh, you do!
Good start. I'm good about whip.
I love how jank that is.
Not easy like that.
Yep. What's she on? You like having inside Monzo. Hands up.
Okay.
Oh, I can't wait to be launched out my seat. Here we go. Holy and here comes the death roll. I changed my mind, it's better than the Velocicoaster.
Yes!
Woo!
Oh, back rows the place to be. That's number 1.
My ankles have bruises. Sorry, my legs are...
Number 1.
Yep, number 1. So remember how a few days ago I said nothing could beat Velocicoaster? Oh, that is absolute madness. Forget what I said about it being slightly tame.
Airtime below.
Ejector, ejector, ejector. Oh, a slight bit, but oh, you're rolling. Ejector, 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 ejector. There is not a single dead moment on that ride. I didn't even notice us go for the 0G stall.